Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin forecasting or Bitcoin price prediction. Again, my friend, we came back again to you when the daily candle finished. As you see it, my friend, here, how it's finished, and it give us here that nice pin bar and green. And that one indicate that we are going to go, as I tell it to you before, to that level here of 22,200, my friend. Then after that, maybe we are going to drop. We don't know what's going to happen, but till now, it's showing us a bullish signal. So make a close eye at it, my friend. As you see it here, now it's very, 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 very clear and clean, bullish signal, my friend. So make a close attention at it, my friend. And we'll also update you every day, my friend, two videos. So you, if you are watching us that the first time of you here, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, we are a channel, we put in every day two videos analyzing the Bitcoin market, stock market, we analyzing the SP500, and we analyzing the DAXI or US dollar index. So we analyzing for you the full market. So if you are interested about the Forex market, stock market, or crypto market, you can benefiting from our analysis free, my friend. Everything is free here. You don't need to pay nothing. The only things also we put it premium is our technical analysis course if you want to learn. If you don't want, you just want free analysis, also we are here, my friend. So now let's go in to analyze for you the SP500 before we came here to the Bitcoin, my friend. For the picture to be more clear to you, here we are, my friend, in the SP500. The SP500, what we said before, we said it touched here the 200 moving average here. As you see it, my friend, it gave us here a peak, as I tell it to you before. And now look where we are. We are here at that zone. I tell it to you before, and we draw it together here. By the way, if you don't watch the previous video, that where we drawing those supply and demand zones, you can go back and watch it from here and here. And now, as we said, my friend, we said the market, now it needs to show us one of two. If it's going to break down, it will go in here, or it needs to show us a rejection, then it will go in back upward, my friend. So tomorrow let's see what's going to come, my friend. So be aware of those things, my friend. And tomorrow at as you see it here at 12:30 GMT time, my friend, as you see it, is going to come durable goods orders of USA and non-defense capital goods orders. So be aware of those things. All those news, as we said it in the week when we start in the weekly Forex analysis, my friend, or the weekly Forex forecasting, you can go back to it. And in Thursday, my friend, look what we got. 25th of August, we got at 12:30 the GDP of USA. So make a close eye at that one, my friend, because that one is going to move the market very bad. So that's why the market stay ranging all those days. I think we explained to you very well till now. Now it's going back to the chart here. As I tell it to you, my friend, you need to make a close eye at that level and at that level here, at that one here, my friend. You need to make a close eye at them. By the way, that one is the ETF of ARCA. They change it to another one. That one is the real index, my friend. And the levels also we draw. As I tell it to you, we got a level here and we draw it before, but it's okay, we just draw it now. At the first level, my friend. Second one, as we tell it to you, we got it here at that zone here. And the third one, we got it down here, my friend. So you need to make a close attention at those levels, my friend. And the top one, that one, it started from here, my friend. As you see it, it started from here, from that zone here. As you see it, what it done to you. As you see here, it rejected. Here, it rejected. And here, it rejecting the price. Then you got those ones in the top. We don't want to enter to them. So now you need to make a close attention at that one. At tomorrow when the market is going to open, what it's going to do. I think it's going to go upward. So let's wait in tomorrow what's going to happen, my friend, for the picture to be more clear. Now let's go into the DAXI, my friend, to analyze for you the US dollar index to be the picture more clear to you, my friend. That one, my friend, if you remember what else we said we got here that level, and here it's showing us a red candle here at that zone. And then now the daily it's finished. Now let's see if it's going to drop to touch here, the trend line here. And if it formed for you like that at W, maybe it's going to drop, my friend. But till now, as you see it, my friend, you're still in a very, very, very stronger trend. As you see it, every time you touch it, you fall down. So the Bitcoin is still very, very, very stronger. It doesn't fall down to 10K or something. As you see, the market structure, everything is very bad. That one is just going up. Everything is too clear, my friend. Now let's go into the Bitcoin to analyze for you more, for the picture to be more clear to you. And every day I'm going to update you like that, my friend, for everyone to understand what else we're saying. So let's go in now to the Bitcoin to see what is it there, my friend. Here we are in the Bitcoin, my friend. Bitcoin, as I tell it to you, before we got here that level, and that level is showing here a big rejection. As we said it, my friend, that level here, that one here, got here a big rejection. And also we said the market, it will go until here, till that zone. Also we draw it here by red last time, if you remember it, that one. We said that the market where it will go, and it's near to it. Zone is going to be there. So make a close eye to it, my friend. But till now, my friend, us, we're still in a downtrend. There is nothing was changed. The only thing here, it give us that channel is going up. But I think there is another getting lower like that till here. Then after that, it will go in upward, my friend. Till now, nothing confirmed, my friend. But we don't want it to break for us the lower of that channel. Because if it's break it, I told you we are going to 10K. So make a close attention at those levels, my friend. Let's hope that level where we are now, that one here, is going to hold, my friend, for some time. Then after that, it will push in the price upward again. It will give us a high for the us to be confirmed. Us, we are in a uptrend, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. If everything is too clear to you, my friend, go down and smash the like button, my friend, and write for us a comment to support us to put more content like this, my friend. We are not losing nothing, my friend. It's us we filming, it's us we doing our analysis and everything. We just ask you to hit the like. So be generous and hit the like, my friend. You done it. Let's continue, my friend. Now let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it came inside that zone as we said it. That one here, draw it with purple last time. That level here at 42. Now it came inside it, my friend. Now I think when it touched for us that lower trend here, now we will go to the upper trend. And by the way, that upper trend, that one is a very stronger trend. And we show you how we draw it in the previous videos, my friend. You can go back and watch it. That one also we're talking about at that up white one. So when the price came to it, we need to make a close eye what the price going to do, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's go into lower time frames to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it, the market couldn't break for us that level as we drawing before, that one. If you remember what else we draw here, we draw a triangle like that, my friend. And that's what the market giving you here, a triangle. But he couldn't break it, no up, no down. So if he break it up, we will calculate him from here, then we will make it. It's going to go till it will touch him for us that up of that 200 moving average, my friend. If it's not, we will see what's going to happen. But let's zoom it, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. If you see here down, my friend, what the volume here is telling you is a big buying power here. It's entering here in the volume, my friend. A lot of green candles, they spike, but no one of them push. Because as you see, it gave us here that pin bar, that one. But here in the top, they showing indecision, my friend. When it reaching to that level here, as I tell it to you before, I told you the market it need to break for you. That level here, that level, how to get it. Just came here to those previous ones, those previous candles, those ones. Then you draw on top of them. So as you see it, it always came to there, then it reject, my friend. So make a close attention at that level, my friend. If it's break it, we are going to go high. But now I think we are going to go lower here again to test that level here. So then we will see what's going to happen, my friend. As I told you, till the coming news. Tomorrow maybe about the durable goods, or after tomorrow when it's going to come the GDP. And I think when it's going to come the GDP, the market it will move, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicators, my friend, if you remember what me I told you about that one here, down, when it's enter here to the oversold area, I told you that one, it's very, very, very rare that indicator of me, it enter there at oversold area. And when it enter is a highly chance the market will go in upward. And that's what happening till now, my friend. So if you buy from here, till now you are in profit. And it's going to go more higher than that. I think till here, till the 200 moving average, my friend. So also we are going to update you every day, my friend, to tell you more about the market analysis, my friend. So if you are a stock trader, you wait in the SP 500 of us analysis. If you are a forex trader, the DAXI. If you are a Bitcoiner or cryptocurrency trader, you wait in the Bitcoin. Because the Bitcoin, my friend, and all the cryptocurrency, when Bitcoin is moving, everything is moving with it. When Bitcoin is falling, everything is falling with it. If you're doing a comparison to the Bitcoin and Ethereum, they are correlated to each other. The same moves, my friend, nothing complicated, nothing hard. They're moving the same, as if they are one asset, my friend, not two cryptocurrencies. Now, let's show you our other indicator, my friend, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, my friend, the one here, it's still here at the oversold area. It started today pushing up out of it. I think now we are going to go upward, my friend. By the way, that one and the other that indicator, exactly that one. If you want it, you go to one video in our channel, his name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. In the description of that video, you're going to find that indicator. Will give you the source code, my friend. Just copy it and go to your trading view, go to the pen editor and put it there and add it to your chart. You're going to have the same indicator. Don't change nothing in the setting of it. Leave it how it is, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So now what our view? We thinking when it go out, because that one and when it's going to be the high accurate signal when it's going out from the oversold area like now. Now I think it's the right time for anyone who want to buy, my friend, to buy now, because it will going up till here, till the overbought area, my friend. Remember my word, if you buying, you put the stop loss down in that level here, my friend. Down in that supply and demand zone. That supply and demand zone, we draw it here. So if you put in stop loss, if you put in stop loss, you came to that last low, that one, and you put the stop loss of you down the net, depending on your money management, my friend. And the take profit is going to be here at the 200 moving average, my friend. Everything is too clear. Now we give you another signal, my friend, and we're going to come to you in the future, and we are going to update you what's happening to that signal we give you. So now let's go into 30 minutes, my friend, to see what is it there. Here we are, my friend, at 30-minute Bitcoin prediction or BTC prediction. As you see, my friend, if you remember what else we're drawing here the channel. We draw it here in 30 minutes, the one and the one. And we said we are waiting the market to break it. And I told you about the wake of trading here. What it giving you here, as you see it, my friend. Give you here a big sideways or big range in here. So as I told you, the market is waiting the news, which is coming tomorrow and after tomorrow. So it's extending that channel of us like that to see it where it's going to be broken. And another thing here, very, very important. You see that blue one, that one, also we have here, the 200 moving average, the simple one. And here in that zone, the market, it's break it, my friend. Let me zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, the market, what it done here in that candle here, it's breaking for you the 200 moving average, my friend. So now I think we are going to go upward, my friend. As I tell it to you here in 30 minutes, it's going to that level here of 22,200, my friend. So make a close eye and attention to that level. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's see our indicators, my friend, what they're saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. So you need to be careful now. The buying it's been yesterday from here, my friend, when I tell it to you. And I tell you that indicator, you use it along with the supply and demand zones. If you want to learn how to draw supply and demand zones and candlesticks to read them, to read trend lines and all those levels, all those things, go to our course. The course is not expensive, it's only $13, my friend. It's going to teach you everything, and that indicator, that one will give it to you. Use it to day trade the cryptocurrency, the stock market, the forex, everything. That indicator, it's working very well. The only thing, if you enter in a lower time frames, you need to use margin, my friend, because the market doesn't move that much. As when you use in margin, you're going to make money, but even when you're losing, you're going to lose money. So that's why I told you need to use stop lose in lower time frames, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, my friend.